Started a business for a challenge, all that IG shit got born. I'm the best in the city and I don't even brag about it. But we without no dick shit, I like this shit gon' die without it. Everybody acting hoppy, I can't even ride without it. One in this top of die with a lit beside him. I'm the light to the lighter, light the fire to the fighters. This my up north flow, but I ain't trying to go to right, cause I was rough riding, I hit riders, and yes, me and the boys. My son, I play with toys. Try to take me from him, I might have to put you on. No matter how civilized I act, I'm still from the jungle. Thoroughbred like Amber Breeze, that pussy shit ain't in me. It's doubted and rerouted. Yeah, that got friendly. First time I went to trial, know my PD ain't defend me. Pretending that you fuck me, that's it, so don't offend me. Be so many charges, they had to match me on the mystery. No ties and slats, got me walking with a new me. I remember praying late down in my cell for my freedom. Took 2 times in the night and realized I ain't need her. You can ask the nonsense, it's over now that I beat her, The system fucked up and easy, just a thug in the club trying to make it rain. I'm like a man in the hood trying to make change. Know these jits around the city trying to get name, but they don't put my face on the shirt for some news fame. They move for the views, how they views change. Never shot a dog, shot a dog. It's mind change. I don't need no bitch who acting if you playing mind game. Shit, I'm kinda mean when it come to playing the blame game. Triple out of labor, how you rock, they think you gang. Ever since the shot, I'ma send some back now with the wordplay. Versatile leader, I can never be a preacher. Now they calling me a rabbi, what that is to teach. Need some Jewish lawyers when I'm talking to the people. I never see the soul, y'all don't worry, this shit legal, killing me. Ted Bundy, they been playing us for fools, now ain't shit funny. Heard they always reparations, but ain't shit coming. Your business that's gon' shake sign. I'm dropping jewels, but they still gon' try to take from me. What I know the truth like Earl Smith Jr. Searching for a new jewel, still trying to look cool on flyers on the new tools. Teaching what ain't never been taught. Walk down, I walk, just I talk, still thugging, fuck the law. Just the way we was raised up, feeling like Obama during the second time he ran for it. Pussy got some power, not enough to have me paying for it. Fuss some battles in the city, still ain't never fair for him. Keeping me from seeing third, still to go to jail for him. Even though they won't listen, still put some bail for him. Know my dog gon' hold me down so you can find a cell phone. Love my niggas to the death like I'll go to hell for him.
I'ma take the struggle out the trenches. More money, more problem, mind your business. I hate to lay down, want to listen. Won't do it again, Lord willing. I dream of being rich all the time. Being broke ain't for me, I ain't lying. Feeling like Lucci, I wonder why. Say see you later, don't say goodbye to me, yeah. Me, yeah, yeah, me, yeah. Me, yeah, yeah. I'ma take the struggle out the trenches. More money, more problem, mind your business. I hate to lay down, want to listen. Won't do it again, Lord willing. I dream of being rich all the time. Being broke ain't for me, I ain't lying. Feeling like Lucci, I wonder why. Say see you later, don't say goodbye to me, yeah. Me, yeah, yeah, me, yeah. Me, yeah, yeah.
Ain't nobody line up, so that's me either. Cause they fought with me, don't mean they want the best for me.
I know, keep it 100 with me, don't turn into 5-0. Don't gotta lie, be honest, cause really I know. Open up my eyes whenever my eyes close. Cause I can't let them take me out the game, no. When it's raining, you gon' get my mama a raincoat. When it's sunny, I wear what it go to rain for. Without money, I just might turn into a criminal. Nigga down, I guess it's all on me. I ain't hear from you when I called them 3. But I'm real, I ain't gon' be like how you be. That's the difference between all you and me, swear to God. I'ma take the struggle out the trenches. More money, more problem, mind your business. I hate to lay down, wanna listen. Won't do it again, Lord willing. I dream of being rich all the time. Being broke ain't for me, I ain't lying. Feeling like Lucci, I wonder why. Say see you later, don't say goodbye to me, yeah. Me, yeah, yeah, me, yeah. Me, yeah, yeah. I'ma take the struggle out the trenches. More money, more problem, mind your business. I hate to lay down, wanna listen. Won't do it again, Lord willing. I dream of being rich all the time. Being broke ain't for me, I ain't lying. Feeling like Lucci, I wonder why. Say see you later, don't say goodbye to me, yeah. Me, yeah, yeah, me, yeah. Me, yeah, yeah.
Trying to make the biggest profit, throw me 100, I bet I move it. I beat the block up, I abuse it. And ain't gon' lie, I keep my pockets, I'ma use it. Hey, we shoot again like it's a movie. Stay down, cause the struggle just be temporary. I see it coming, I'm a visionary. Fuck love, yeah, that shit scary. Been up before when that shit scared me. She just wanna tell me what I wanna hear when I'm down. If you gon' do that, get around. A minute trip is steady running through these pounds. I'm trying to get it so we all can make it out. Hey, say see you later, don't say goodbye. I'm trying to stack it up to the sky. I got a sunny, the reason why.